gentlemen, over your shoulder and to the right, let me introduce to you the aircraft and the pilots. Flying in formation today, a World War II P-51 Mustang flown by Mr. Vlado Olenek, and a United States Air Force F-22 Raptor flown by Major Henry Shadow Schatz. Ladies and gentlemen, your United States Air Force Heritage Flight. Now let's listen again to the music of Dwayne O'Brien from the Little Texas Band, and we remember. Ladies and gentlemen, the United States Air Force Heritage Flight. And the flying history of your United States Air Force. The Raptor demonstration pilot who came in today after an air show this past weekend at Fort Wayne, Indiana, has made a special flight to the Cleveland National Air Show. Let's give a big round of applause to Henry Shadow Schatz. Targets at one time. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you your United States Air Force's F-22.
Raptor is 3,500 feet on the downwind. Visual news. Shadow, thanks for the demo. Contact departure. Have a great flight. We're after copy. See you. So long.